Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here three different types of carbonyl compounds are given. One is aldehyde, one is ester, one is imine. You have to find which one will react faster towards nucleophile. Here the nucleophilicity is decided by the positive charge. Normally the heteroatom differs in our case. What really happened? One is oxygen and nitrogen. If you look at it, nitrogen is more electronegative. So oxygen pull the electrons more. So the carbon get more positive charge. So it will have more nucleophilicity. But if you look at the last one, which is ester, the positive charge is quenched by the lone pair of electron. So oxygen donate the lone pair, kill the positive charge. So it will be least reactive. Most reactive one is aldehyde. Least reactive is ester. The imine is on middle. So the concept you have to learn here is more positive charge, better the nucleophilicity of the compound. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.